What is up, Trust Troop? It is Trust to Impress, and I am Baby B-A-C-K back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be cleaning and organizing these bathroom vanities. So it's going to be affordable, it's going to be realistic, and we are going to have a good time. Now, what inspired me to do this project was my pantry organization video. It went so well, and I am so happy with it. I said, let me go ahead and finish organizing my bathroom so that I can keep it organized and keep it clean, hopefully, you guys. If you missed my pantry organization video, then make sure you check out the link down in the description box below. Also, I'm going to be linking the products that I'm using in this video down in the description box below, so make sure that you guys check those out so that you can have access to these products as well. There are several Amazon must-have products for organization in this video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and share the video. I started out by stopping in the home store to see if I could find a few more organizational containers. I was hoping to find something on sale or clearance, or either for a really good price. And I was only able to find these stackable containers, which were $10 each, which I think is a little bit of a ripoff, but I may end up actually keeping them and using them. I'm not sure yet. Here's a quick clip at where we're starting, and we have a long way to go. Got baby girl with her cleaning cart. Are you ready to help mommy? You ready to help mommy clean up? Here. It's never too early. Never too early to learn how to clean up. Oh yeah, okay. All right, you guys, so my little helper is ready, so let's go ahead and get down to business. These are some hooks with suction cups on the back that I'm going to be using to organize our towels. I actually ordered these some years back from Amazon, but I have yet to put up new ones in our current shower. So we're going to be using those. I have cabinet liners and I have some bins that I may or may not use. Those gray bins are actually left over from my pantry organization video. And then here are the clear acrylic bins that you guys saw at the beginning of the video that were $10 each. I think that's a bit high for the pricing, but they are stackable. And hey, they're acrylic. So like I mentioned in my pantry organization video, those types of bins tend to be priced higher than any other color. Now, this is just me showing you guys how to apply these suction hooks to the shower wall, how easy it is. I absolutely love these. I will be linking this product down in the description box below so that you guys can have access to them. But you literally just push the suction cup up against the wall and then you press the hook downward to lock it into place. And that's it, that's all. So I'm hanging 2 dry towels and 2 washcloths. Before I get into cleaning, I want to show you guys a few more organization items. I ordered these drawer organizers that come in varied sizes that I actually have on the countertop from Amazon. And I got this jewelry display from Amazon as well. And I'm going to link those products down in the description box below. Now these cabinet organizers with the drawers, I actually did not purchase from Amazon, but I'm going to try to find some to link for you down in the description box below. I purchased these at a Bed Bath & Beyond that was going out of business in my area, and I got them for about 60 to 70% off, so I got them for a great price. And you can see it's not the perfect fit, but I was able to really make it work. And I was trying to show you guys that those 2 pieces are actually separate, stacked on top of each other. They are not 2-tiered. Now it's time to get down to business and clean this space up. Let's get to it. These are not the best fit. It still seems like a lot of wasted space for me. They only take up about half of the depth of the cabinet, so I may actually be swapping these out for something different. Y'all, this is a great money saver tip. I actually purchased these from Dollar Tree in the school supply section. So they're actually little supply baskets or pencil baskets, probably for the middle of table, little elementary school desks or tables and whatnot. And there were 2 of them in a pack for $125 because, the Dollar Tree is the $125 tree now. But I saved so much money on getting these and using them as drawer organizers. So my goal when I first started this project was that I was going to be able to organize all of my makeup and clean all of my makeup brushes. And the reality of projects like this, once you really get into it, it's just that you might not be able to do everything that you set out to do in one day or in one session. So I actually started to get a little bit stressed out. I'm going to be real with you guys about all of this stuff on my countertop and trying to figure out how I'm going to just clear it off. But I finally made it there, but I ended up having to cut out organizing the makeup and the makeup brushes. I hope you guys are still hanging in there because you got the 10-minute version of this project, but I was literally exhausted by this point, y'all. I was so tired of cleaning and organizing. And I finally have made it to the end. So I'm organizing the last few pieces. Y'all, this is actually perfume that's sitting up here. So Sierra and Russell decided to create these perfume bottles that will not stand up unless they are interlocked with each other, which I think is a really cute concept, but it can get a little bit annoying if you don't store both of the bottles together, which I'm assuming was what they intended. And I still have quite a bit on the countertop, but I'm finally finished. And this is a convenient organization that hopefully I can keep up. We're finally done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.